Here I have some chicken cutlets that I dredged in seasoned flour and then into some scrambled egg and then into some panko breadcrumbs seasoned with garlic powder and fresh grated Parmesan cheese. These will cook about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. I have my homemade marinara heating up over here, but by all means use jarred. This chicken Parmesan is going underneath the broiler for about a minute until the cheese gets hot and bubbly, but make sure you watch it. All right, let's very simply dress a nice arugula salad.